Talia Steakhouse and Bar is the premier Glatt Kosher restaurant on the Upper West Side of Manhattan. Besides delicious steak choices, including prime rib and filet mignon, Talia's cuisine is a contemporary twist on classic Middle Eastern and American dishes, from barbecue ribs to Moroccan salmon. Talia's late hours, outdoor cafe, and live music nights make it an excellent dating spot. Talia Steakhouse offers prepaid Shabbat and Jewish holiday meals. We provide on- and off-premises catering services for all types of Simcha and special events, serving its community and tourists alike. Call now to reserve your seat. 212-580-3770.
It was delicious. It was made according to our requests.
Whatever she said, I agree with.
Absolutely.
So we had a delightful meal at Talia's and the food was really tasty as always and the atmosphere was great.
I love Talia Steakhouse.
I love Talia Steakhouse.